Previously on Gears and Tech, we bought 3 cheap cars for less than $2,000 to try and prove that you can buy an inexpensive car for a first-time car buyer or a student. And we're going to prove it to you by driving these 3 cars across the country on a 1,000-mile road trip. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. We are starting day 2 of our epic road trip. Today, we will be making the journey from Radium, British Columbia, all the way to Kelowna, British Columbia. On this trip, we will experience a few challenges and some beautiful sightseeing in the Canadian Rockies. Join us for today's episode. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video.
We left in like 10 minutes.
Did you need more time?
No. I just assumed it would take us like 30 minutes to leave.
Yeah. I have to take the key back.
You can get this way according to Ben.
But it'll be way cooler footage of me driving down this cliff.
You're filming right now.
Yeah.
That may be true.
Oh my goodness. They have a paddle boat. Like people actually paddle boat in that. That's disgusting. And a stand-up paddleboard. Would you stand-up paddleboard in there?
No.
What if you fell in? That'd be so gross. The key for the cabin in the woods returned. It was time to hit the road and see if we could find somewhere to have some breakfast. That looks like my crispy bacon, even though yours looks just as crispy as mine. See, from the back, my car looks like something special. Like, you look at it, you're like, yeah.
So does mine.
No.
What's new?
From the back, yours looks like just a car.
Mine looks as nice as that Audi.
If you squint your eyes a little bit.
The one dentist that I work with, he can't believe we're doing this challenge. He's like, so you buy cheap cars and then you go on a road trip in them? He's like, I don't know if that sounds like a wise idea. I'm like, why not? He's like, well, you gotta have a dependable car for a road trip. And I'm like, just because they're cheap doesn't mean they're not dependable. I'm like, we've only ever had one breakdown and I wasn't on that trip.
And that was the operator problem. No,
Well, almost always. And actually, you had a breakdown with your Beamer.
that was also an operator issue. It's just a light. It says cool and slow, but it's
create the
fine.
problem, then you know you control the outcome.
Oh, he's checking out our stickers too. Look at him. He's like, what are they doing?
He's like, he sees us looking at him, looking at the cars, like, so I mean, he's like, who on earth would drive these over here? I mean, obviously I've got the looks down.
The issue is the parents wouldn't like the way that looks.
No, but the parent, that's not part of the parent test.
No?
Because the parents don't care how it looks. The parents care about how much it costs, how safe is it, how much is it going to be to maintain.
And I think 5-speed knocks you down. There's no new driver.
It's not on the list.
That's good.
I know what kids want. I'm very in tune with children of the world these days.
I know what
You're
kids
not.
want. She likes this car.
She likes this car because you told her she had to like it.
I sure did
She
not.
liked the PT Cruiser too, and then as soon as you didn't like it,
She was
like, yeah, I don't like that.
She picked this car with me.
Did she?
Yes.
Really? You said, okay, JC, here's your choice. You can pick this car or wait for a different one. And she said, yeah, this car's fine.
We've been looking for a long time, and there were many cars she ixnayed.
Really? How many of them were two-door Altimas? None.
None.
How many were Mitsubishi Lancer?
None.
So there you go. So she actually also picked our cars. Because you're saying that because she didn't X-nay that one that she picked it, but she didn't X-nay mine or
She
Isaac's car.
actually looked on I had a whole bunch of saved cars, and she's like, no, I don't like that one. No, I don't like that one.
Right. And then the one that she didn't say, no, I don't like that one, so you bought it. The conversation was clearly going nowhere, so we just jumped in the car and hit the road instead. First, we had to make an unscheduled stop for some gas, among other things. So for no reason at all, you're just parking over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna check out to see if their air actually pumps air.
It says it's free. We should double check
Well, I
that it's
just wanna know
really
if it's
free.
actually free, or if they're just trying to suck me in.
This is unheard of. Unheard of. Free
Maybe I should try the
air.
front tire. Should I try this one? Maybe I'll try this one.
try the back one. For no reason at all. No.
You know what? I think it might be free. Let's go a little longer just to make sure. I should check it with a gauge to make sure it's actually giving me.
Yeah, maybe you're
Free
giving
air.
them air. It's a
I
trick.
might be going the other way.
It's totally a trick. You're giving them free air.
Actually, think I should.
Actually, it smells like you've been burning rubber on that tire. Is it? No, it's not that warm.
It's still even.
You should overdo it though, so that when it leaks again.
I think I did.
Your fuel economy just got a lot better. Sounds like it's working. That's good. I wonder if I should check if it works on mine too. Of course, no trip to the Okanagan is complete without visiting the D. Dutchman Dairy Farm. Alright, what are we supposed to do here? Do they milk their own cows and then make ice cream with it?
Yeah.
Right from the powder into your ice cream cone.
They have a whole petting over there. You go in you can see their babies.
Where? You can just walk over there?
Yeah, you go in there and see their new baby moo cows.
Moo cows?
Mama
What
milk
are non-moo
cows.
cows?
Mama
Yeah.
make milk.
Which ones aren't the moo cows? Where's the ones that don't moo are like turned into a steak? Now the sun's coming out. At least the cars are pretty sweet looking. Mine's obviously the best looking of the bunch. After getting our ice cream, of course we had to go check out the cows. And if you're really lucky, you might get your arm licked off, just like Isaac here. Gross. Those of you that are fans of the hit Netflix TV show Rust Valley Restorers, you're in for a little treat. We're actually driving right through where they filmed that show, so we're gonna stop by, see if we can see anything, and have a look around. They're not really set up for guests or visitors or anything like that, so we're gonna try and respect their privacy. We'll just get as close as we can without being disruptive and disrespectful. We're coming up to it now. We're just gonna pull in and see what it looks like. This is where they do the swap meet.
Literally just down the hall? This is the shop straight ahead.
Yep.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
There's Rust Bros.
Just because TV, this place doesn't look anything like it does.
Slightly disappointed in the experience at Rust Bros, we decided it was time to hit the highway for our next big challenge. The plan is heads up race.
One of our passengers calls a 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't know, we can get them to stand out on the road and do a 3, 2, 1, drop the hands.
I don't know if you want somebody sitting there doing full-on Tokyo Drift drag race.
Yeah?
Well, we'll do 3 races, right?
No, I think we're doing King of the Hill. So I figured you and Amanda would line up first.
Okay.
The winner of that one goes to me.
And then it's over.
Yeah, so we're only doing 2. Unless, like, someone thinks that they're gonna beat me, I'll go first and race twice, but since nobody thought they'd beat the mighty Ultima, the Optra, and the Lancer decided to line up first. Lancer taking a lead over the Optra easily. It was time to take on the Ultima. The practically an Evo was no match for the mighty Ultima. With the Ultima solidly claiming its stake as the fastest car on this road trip, first, second, and third place had been established. What happens next? You're going to want to subscribe to find out. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video. We'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.